Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we are going to explore how you can change the country in the Brainly app. If you are moving to a new location or simply want to switch the app's settings to access localized content, this video will guide you through the process. First, open the Brainly app on your phone. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, at the top right corner, click on the settings icon to access the app settings. Then, scroll down through the settings until you find the option labeled Country. When you see it, tap on that option to move to the country selection page. Finally, from the list of available countries, choose the one you want to set as your default. After making your choice, confirm by clicking on Yes, and the app will update your country settings instantly. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, give it a like, and share it with others. Thanks a lot for watching.